All right, what's going on out there in Bike Land? Hope everybody's having a great day. Speed freaks, wing nuts, gearheads, nutballs, friends, family, and beyond. Got a mail call here. Coming in from California. Longtime friend and subscriber of the channel, Mr. Leonard Arroyo. See what he sent us. So excited about this one. I have to tell his mom thank you too. All right, looks like we got our reed pedals here. What do we got here? Oh, he did send me the salmon. That's a good joke. Yeah. Wow, all right. 2 cans of salmon. That's the way to pack it and make sure it don't move around. So, here we are. Wow. Carburetor and everything, Leonard. Man. Wow. Got the thumb throttle. The full engine and case. The reed valve. The block. It's going to be a good one. We'll get it up and running. Hey, thank you so much, man. I got to say it, God bless America. I know this is Chinese, but coming from another guy, we'll get that respect anyway. Look forward to seeing it on the bike probably. Keep you posted.